you keep calling me back? Like तुझे जो चाहिए वो तो I'm sure तुझे मुझसे मिल नहीं रहा. So why do you keep coming back to me?
क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत सुना है तरुण प्रभु.
Oh my God. Tadar Junaid is right up your hipster alley. तुमने आज तक कैसे नहीं सुना? You have to come with me next time he's playing.
It's a date.
Yeah, right. I'll never go out on a date with you.
क्यों? क्यों नहीं भाई?
क्योंकि right now here with me one-on-one you are very charming and subtle, but I would never date a guy who wouldn't get a hard-on unless his tweets get 25 retweets. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
Mean fucking shit. कौन सा मैं तुम्हें डेट करने के लिए मरा जा रहा हूँ? पता चला if I finish before you, तुम बाथरूम में भाग जाओगी. At most, what I want to do is maybe kiss you and tickle those 8 moles on your neck with my tongue. Sorry, I didn't mean it like that.
Don't you want to go out and just smoke, maybe?
Yeah.
आँखों में शराब है, क्या है नशा तेरा? ये क्या हुआ? चला न पता. मुझे तो हुआ है, तुझे कुछ हुआ के नहीं बता. तेरे दिल में मैं हूँ कहीं कहीं, क्यों होने लगा है यकीन.
I don't know what's up, man.
Not you for sure. Don't worry. मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी इस बार, लज्जो को भी नहीं.
I think I'm too drunk. You should stop.
क्या हुआ?
Nothing. Let's just go.
Tarun.
क्या फिर से डांटने आई हो?
Yeah, something like that. क्या हुआ कैफे के बाहर? कितनी बार कहना पड़ेगा प्रॉब्लम से भागो नहीं, उसका सामना करो.
Young Lord, I know it's you, bro.
Hashtag पेने penis. तेरी क्यों चल रही है यार? तेरे प्लम्बिंग में कोई इशू है क्या?
क्यों लिखना चाहते हो क्रोसॉन के लिए?
Because I always wanted to write features. मेरे सारे favorite journalists यहीं काम कर चुके हैं. यहाँ से जो भी निकलता है वो veterans बन के निकलते हैं. Like So I thought I should.
So you think कि तुम भी यहाँ से veteran बन के निकलोगे? एक बात बताओ, तुमने अपने आप को कितना वक्त दिया veteran बनने के लिए? You know, my editor, he'd asked me the same question when I was a cub reporter. He says, क्यों लिखना चाहती हो? Journalism ही क्यों?
और आपने क्या बोला?
I don't know.
I'm sure it's been a long time.
No. I told him I don't know.
Oh.
हमारे जमाने में हमें नासमझ होने की इजाजत होती थी. We were allowed to be naive. Google तो था नहीं हमारे पास, इसलिए हर चीज की जानकारी होना जरूरी नहीं होता था. And like your generation, we didn't need to have a superficial understanding of everything. If we didn't know, we didn't know. पर जो जानते थे, in depth जानते थे. Used to read a lot, research करते थे, experience से सीखते थे. डांट बहुत पिटती थी ना. 5 साल तो ऐसे ही निकल जाते थे, सिर्फ ये फिगर आउट करते हुए कि हमारे अंदर वेटरन बनने की क्वालिटी है भी या नहीं. सीताराम, you're the newest member on this floor. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि 2 दिन के अंदर you should match up to other people's standards or deliver the way they do. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है ना, तो पूछो. And I like that about you. कि जब तुम गलती करते हो, तो you own up to it. Now take that call.
That's not important.
How will you know it's not important? Take that call.
I am just like, it's not important.
I insist, take that call. We're done. Take it. फोन उठा लिया करो.
Yeah, just hold on. बोल.
What's up, you shallow fucker?
Nothing much, you crazy stalker.
I can't believe you're ghosting me for a fucking hashtag.
And I can't believe you fucking discussed my dick on a fucking social network.
Touche. I mean, I think we should forget about it. Twitter has.
Well, I can't. और वैसे भी. Why do you keep calling me back? Like तुझे जो चाहिए वो तो I'm sure तुझे मुझसे मिल नहीं रहा. So why do you keep coming back to me?
क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत सुना है तरुण प्रभु. मुंबई की ट्विटर की लड़कियों में काफी फेमस हो तुम. Even though I have evidence to the contrary.
Ha. Very funny. चल मुझे बहुत काम है. मुझे जाना है अभी. Bye.
Hold on a second. Check your Snapchat right now.
Okay, 1 second. What the fuck, dude? दोपहर के 12 बजे.
So, do you think I grow boobs like after 6 p.m. or something? They're always there, you know.
But मुझे नहीं देखने, तो दिखा.
Come on now. Don't be a wet towel. I want you to see them. I want you to tell me what are you gonna do with them.
Come on, yaar, Karishma. I'm in the middle of a fucking work day, man.
So go to the loo. I'm sure you don't want to miss what I'm about to say.
Okay.